Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Students, today our topic is Unit number 1C, Addition and Subtraction, page number 16, lecture number 11, and our target is Learn to find total. That is also related to the previous lecture. What is the total of these? The first one has been done for you. When adding 3 with 2, the answer will be 5. Now you can solve B part. 3, 3. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer will be 6. Solve these, students, and then reply me what will be the answer in this blank. 3 plus 4. Yes, count. Right, the answer will be 7. 3 with 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer will be 8. When we add 5 with 4, what will be the answer? Count and then reply me. The answer will be 9. When adding 5 with 5, the answer will be 10. These are the solution of the previous slide. Answer is 5 and here answer is 6. See the solution. Now think like a mathematician. Use facts you know to help with others. Do you know the total of 3? Add 3, then 3 and 4 is just one more. How? When adding with 3 plus 3, the answer will be 6. When add 3 plus 4, the answer will be 7. So 7 is one number greater than the 6. Why? Here 3 is smaller than the 4 and 4 is the bigger to the 3. So one number increased, the answer will also be increased. How many counters must be in each shapes to make these totals? Circle, square make 8. So which number is added these two? When 4 and 4 are combined together to form a 8. Now which number is adding? How many circles? 5. And how many squares? 5 make 10. Now try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles, 4 squares. In the previous slide, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the answer will be 8. This is the complete solution of the previous slide. Dear students, this class is over.